welcome you all for doing Law Ki Padhai together. I know you all must be motivated and geared up for doing Law Ki Padhai, right? So, let's discuss about laws and morals today. Okay, it is one of the very basic topic and I think that covering this topic is much more important. This is a part of jurisprudence only and the basics of law. It is very important for you to understand the difference between the law and the morals. As I discussed in my first video, I'll share in the description the link of my first video. If you have not yet seen that video, I've discussed about the meaning and definition of laws. Okay. So, what are laws? Laws are basically the set of rules and regulations that are made by the legislature for the proper functioning of the state. Okay. These have legal sanctions behind them. Okay. These are made by the legislature and are executed by the executives. Legislature makes the laws and the executives makes sure that the laws are properly followed and the violation of law is a punishable offense. On the other hand, what are morals? Morals are basically the set of beliefs and behavioral standards which were created by our ancestors, okay? We have not created any kind of morals, but our ancestors have created the morals based on which the society is governed. The morals has changed from past so many years, but you know, the proper origin or the proper source of morals is not known. But it is said that the source of law, it can be said that one of the source of law can be morals, okay? The law derives some of its authority from morals. Why? Because morals plays a very important role in proper functioning of the state. Moral helps us to be in our limits and to govern our act, okay? It helps us to look within ourselves, to look whether any act performed by us is correct or not. It governs an individual, whereas the laws govern the complete society. It is same for the complete society, but the morals may differ. A moral which is correct as per one person or one society may not be correct for the other set of society. You can take an example of live-in relationships. Live-in relationships, although those are now considered legally valid, okay, but those are not accepted by many societies. Now also live-in relationships are not considered as morally correct, although those are legally correct. Law supports live-in relationships, but morals does not support Indian morals, especially if we talk about the Indian people. The Indian people are mostly against the live-in relationships. So now, let us come towards the difference between law and morals. Okay, I hope that the concept of law and the concept of morals is clear to you. In case of any confusion or in case of any doubt, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Please let me know so that I can make a special video for that, for your doubts, and I would love to clear your doubts. So, what is the difference between law and morals? First difference, law. It is regulated by external sources. Law is regulated by external sources like the judges. When any matter comes in front of a court, what is the duty of the court? The duty of the court is to apply the law and to deliver the judgment so that the justice can be delivered. Hence, the important function of the law is to ensure justice. And that is done, and hence the law is regulated. I mean, the external sources like the court regulates the laws, okay? And for morals are regulated by internal sources like our conscience. Our conscience regulates morals. This is one of the most important difference between the law and morals. Now let's move towards the second difference. Laws are same for everyone, okay? But morals can be different for different people. Like I've taken the example of live-in relationships. You can think of many more such examples, okay? Now, the third difference. There is a punishment for the violation of laws. As I discussed already that the violation of law is punishable offense. But violation of morals is not a punishable offense because they do not have any legal sanctions behind them. No punishment but the guilty feeling. If you are morally incorrect, then you have a guilty feeling in your heart, okay? That you should not have done that wrongful act. But here the law punishes a person who has, violated the law. Now, the next difference is it is enforced by the state. The executives helps in enforcing the laws, whereas it is regulated by the people of the society. People of the society helps in enforcing the morals. It is a common belief of the people of the society. They have a common belief which ultimately turns into morals, and hence the morals are enforced by the society, okay, at a larger scale. Next, the laws are influenced by morality, but on the other hand, morality is not at all influenced by the laws, okay. Next, it is made by the legislature, as I have already discussed that it is made by the legislature and it is made by the society. Next difference is main focus is on the society. As I told you, the laws helps in proper regulation of the society so that everyone remains in their own limit, and if anybody tries to cross their limit or abuses their powers or misuses their power, they are punished, okay? And the main focus of the morals is that its main focus is on the individual actions. Morals basically govern the individuals, okay? And laws governs everyone, okay? And last but not the least difference is that amending law is very, very difficult. But amending morals can be slightly easy, as it does not involve any hard and fast process. It does not involve any difficult procedure. But amending law does involve a lengthy procedure. Okay? I hope the difference is clear. Now tomorrow we'll come towards how are laws and morals interlinked with each other and why both are important, and we'll conclude this topic tomorrow. In case of any doubt, please feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of my channel. Okay? Take care and have a good studies. Take care. Bye-bye.